Today we discuss wage types, various wage types, and let's first open up the configuration part, personnel management, personnel admin, personal data, addresses. We've got various types of addresses that we've done already. Then we have bank details, payment methods. This is important. Create bank connection types. What can be bank connections? Various methods can be defined and attached, and bank connections too can be diverse. Main bank, protection bank, bank details for family, all beneficiary, health insurance. So various scenarios, main bank for contracts, advance payment, transfer of net income to main personal number. So various scenarios. Now these are constraints, the time lapping, overlapping, whether that's allowed or not, that can be incorporated. Then payment methods in company code. Let's define this. This is important. Check bank transfer. Bank transfer. Now there are various kinds of transfers also. So copy as. Company code, CLTX, check. Maximum amount is this, minimum amount is open. Foreign business partner allowed, foreign currency is allowed. Customer vendor bank abroad allowed. Bank selection optimized by postal code, by bank group. So if you have bank groups, then we can optimize that. Form data, that the forms are created by ABAP, and these are for payments, and these payments are aligned. And let's apply it. Caltex, and this is bank transfer minimum is 5. So there is a threshold. P does not exist. Okay, payment methods in country. P does not exist. So we'll skip it. And Caltex. And this is also not existent. Okay, save. Okay, personnel management, admin, payroll data, basic pay, wage types. Let's check that. Let's first save this first. And okay. Okay. Okay, personal admin payroll data, basic pay. Payroll data, basic pay, and wage types. Wage types. Wage types. Wage type catalog. Copy. Page down. Page down. Page down. Westway. Benetton. And we have Caltex also. Okay, 3372 will be our Pay scale salary. We've already done this. It's already made. And next step is employee subgroup for primary wage types. Grouping 10. Okay. Caltex active hourly. Subgroup C3, C4, and okay, this is for reference basically. For solve sub areas for primary wage types. Okay. And we'll take a snapshot of this also. Okay, bank details. Info type 09 is your bank details. Let's check that also. And then we'll move ahead. Personal data, bank details. We've already seen the payment methods and default payment methods and the payment types that are available at a country level or not. Addresses, we've also seen that. Moving on to the other type, SM30T582A, SM30. Five eight two A, find maintenance dialog. For info type attributes, and for account logistics data, Okay, let's check this one. Maintain A. Okay, was A basically. Overtime, availability, substitution, attendances. Okay, these are info types for scenarios like recurring payments and deductions. Let me find maintenance dialog. T528A. E and A. Info type attributes, customizing, maintain, and we will have a long list of info types. So that's how we can check on our various info types. Okay. Constraints, info type 1 details. Info type 1, double click. And time constraint is 1. What is time constraint? Time constraints are overlapping and no overlappings, and how much of overlappings, multiple overlappings are allowed or not. Okay. Info type 9, again, the same details will be available to us. Number 4, bank details, payment method. This is important. We've already covered that. Info type 14, recovering payments. Payroll data, recovering payments. Okay. Payroll data, recurring payments. Now, these are info types. Define reasons for change, wage types, create wage type catalog. Now, these are allowances that actually happen every month. Okay. And we can create our own as well. This is uniform allowance, car allowance, and computer loan deduction. Page up, page down. So these are the allowances that we can copy. And the copy ones will be uniform allowance, and custom will be okay. M114, M116, M235, M235, and with load deductions will be done against payslips. Scroll down and write M236, M237, M235. There will be 236, 237 for remaining balance and total remaining. Now, all 5 wage types selected. 235, 236. Okay, we have to select 235. Okay, computer loan deduction. And we don't have any 236. Uniform allowance. And click. Now all are selected. Wage type starts at 4490. Okay, let me just check what is the last limit. This is okay. Wage type starts at click CWT. Auto assignment of wage type starts at 4490. Increase 1. 4490. Increase at step 1, that every wage type will get a number, a dedicated number. 444500. Okay, now we have our own. Okay, we have 4502. Okay, text. Okay, now click on copy. Copy. This is coming under recurring payments. Payments that are repeated over a pattern of many months. No errors. Okay, so we go back, remove test run, and we copy and we save it. Okay. 6. Recurring payments deductions, check wage type group. You will find only 4490, 4492 new entries, 4493, 4494. Wage type catalog 4490. Okay. Okay. Check wage type group. check which type group, and deductions. .490 compatibility. Okay, 45 Cortex and Cortex, it's already done and integrated. And catalog, in catalog, check which type group, catalog, check which type text. Okay, cal text is already there. We can change the text if you want. 45. So we will create a screenshot. Save it here. Okay. Fair enough. Now let's go ahead. Personnel admin, payroll data, recurring payments, define employee subgroup grouping. Subgroup grouping. Now this will get interesting because we've already taken note of it. And define employee subgroup. Define employee subgroup grouping. Subgroup grouping. Define employee subgroup grouping for primary wage type. Primary wage type. And 10 is our country grouping. Caltex, it's already there. Okay. Personal admin, payroll data, recurring payments, personal sub area. Okay, personal sub area, not personal, personal sub area. This is already created and maintained. Okay. This is also maintained. Save it. Now, payroll data, recurring payments, check wage type catalog. Check wage type permissibility catalog. Okay. Wage type characteristics. Check wage type characteristics. Okay. Wage type characteristics. Okay, 450, 4502. Okay, this is done. Okay, let me check it again. Click on wage type details. Okay, we are into details right now. Indirect valuation, indirect valuation. Okay. Indirect valuation module is SUME. Variant B, reduction method 1, rounding type 5, rounding division nothing, and save. Okay. Okay, this is done. Next part, wage type, rounding division one, everything is done. Okay, tariff. One was tariff, which was tariff. 491, 2, and 3 tariff. Okay, we have missed one, but let's move forward. PA 30. Okay, PA 30. The small area will be Caltex. Okay, info type 15, wage type M031, gross up, a regular method. Wage type M031, info type 15. Basic pay. Okay, wage type. Three three seven one. Annual salary. Amount. Pay scale group. No values. Okay, let's remove this. Pay scale group is not there. Okay, we'll have to explore the pay scale group. Required fields. Okay, pay scale group will have to identify the pay scale group, but let's first assign payroll data, additional payments, wage types, wage type catalogs, additional payments. Okay. Payroll data, additional payments, wage types. Come on. Additional check wage type catalogs, copy, choose standard wage type. Done. Types. Payments 4498. Which type catalogs? Which type catalogs? Catalogs. That characteristics. Standard wage type. Commission bonus. Okay, wage types. And we have to choose commission bonus amounts which are not certain. So these are additional payments. Okay, now this commission, bonus, commission, bonus, commission. Where is bonus and commission? I can't see it. Okay, let's commission. Please wage type. Okay, wage type. It's saying M112. Okay, M112 exit. M112. Okay, commission. Copy as 4498 500. Altex uniform allowance is already there. Okay. $503. 4503 does not exist in table. Okay. Already exists. And 115. Select key from allowed space. Same key. Okay. Equipment allowance. Does not exist. I have to actually create one. Copy and check test run. Copy again. Choose MM to commissions. Copy wage type. Payroll data. Wage type catalogs. Additional payments. I guess we were in the wrong payment site. Okay. Wage types, wage type catalog. Okay. Page down M111. We have to find M112. Okay. Commission. 4503 starts at increase at one step. Continue. Commission. Caltex. Restaurant. Copy. Okay. Payroll data addition pay wage types, check wage type group, additional payments, wage type 4498. We've already done that. Maintain payments. Define employee subgroup. Okay, now next is important. We have to attach this 4503. Define employee subgroup. Define employee. Define employee subgroup for primary wage type. Caltex is active. Wage type. Okay. For solid sub area. Solid sub area is also made. Okay. For solid sub group primary wage types, PS grouping. Okay. Wage type catalog, define wage type permissibility. Wage type catalog. Wage type catalog. Permissibility. Four five zero three commission. Okay. For solid sub area, and we have actually all areas which are permitted. Wage type permissible for personnel sub area grouping. Okay. Wage type catalog, wage type characteristics, B1, B1. Okay, some E. B1, B1. Characteristics. Commission. Okay. Some E. B1. B. Save. हाँ जी आ रहा हूँ. Okay, so that's it for today. Almost done.